If you're a Series A sales leader still manually qualifying leads, you're wasting 40% of your sales calls on prospects who will never buy. I learned this the hard way when I was scaling my last startup from 2 to 50 million in ARR. Today, I'm going to show you the exact lead scoring system and tools that helped us increase our close rate from 20% to 65%. And I'll give you my complete playbook at the end. I'm Tony Koenig, former Vice President of Sales at P2P Dental Connect, where I led teams that generated over $200 million in revenue. I've founded 3 companies, scaled 2 successful exits, and now I help Series A startups avoid the expensive mistakes I made. Everything you're about to see comes from real implementation with actual results. Here's what's happening right now in your sales organization. Your team is chasing every lead that comes in, spending equal time on prospects who downloaded one white paper and prospects who visited your pricing page 5 times. Your best reps are burning out calling unqualified leads while your hottest prospects go cold. And if you don't fix this system in the next 90 days, you'll miss your next funding milestone. The companies that master lead scoring in 2025 will dominate their markets while everyone else fights for scraps. Lead scoring isn't about fancy algorithms, it's about focus. You need 3 scoring categories: fit, interest, and timing. Fit is demographics and firmographics. Interest is behavioral engagement. Timing is buying signals. Most startups get this wrong because they overcomplicate it. Here's my simple system. For Series A, companies under 100 employees, HubSpot's free tier is perfect. HubSpot scores leads using positive and negative attributes and provides customizable scoring models. I implemented this at a Seattle SaaS company. They saw a 35% increase in qualified meetings within 60 days. The key is setting up behavioral triggers: 5 points for email opens, 15 for demo requests, 25 for pricing page visits. But here's the secret most people miss. For companies with complex sales cycles, ActiveCampaign is the sweet spot. ActiveCampaign provides lead scoring based on email engagement, website behavior, and custom criteria. That $1 million Seattle SME I mentioned, they used ActiveCampaign to score leads and boosted close rates by 15%. The automation sequences alone saved them 20 hours per week. Here's a game changer most startups don't know about: Scaling Founder CRM. Built on the Go High Level platform, it's an all-in-one solution designed specifically for growing businesses. Unlike other tools that force you to juggle multiple platforms, Scaling Founder CRM combines lead scoring, email marketing, SMS, funnel building, and appointment scheduling in one dashboard. I recently helped a Series A fintech company implement this. They consolidated 6 different tools into one platform and increased their lead-to-customer conversion by 42%. The lead scoring is incredibly intuitive, and the automation capabilities are enterprise level at startup-friendly pricing. For companies scaling past 50 million ARR, Salesforce Pardot remains the enterprise standard. Salesforce includes lead scoring capabilities as part of its Sales Cloud offering with robust features and scalability. It's expensive, but worth it for complex B2B sales. I've seen companies reduce their sales cycle by 30% just by implementing proper lead scoring in Salesforce. Here's your 30-day implementation roadmap. Week 1, audit your current lead sources and conversion rates. Week 2, set up your scoring criteria using my framework. Week 3, implement your chosen tool and test with 100 leads. Week 4, analyze results and optimize. But this only works if you avoid these 3 critical mistakes. Mistake number 1, overcomplicating your scoring model. Keep it simple. Mistake number 2, not aligning sales and marketing on definitions. Mistake number 3, set it and forget it. You need to iterate monthly. These mistakes cost the average Series A startup $2.3 million in lost revenue annually. Listen, lead scoring isn't optional anymore. Companies using predictive lead scoring tools have seen significant increases in sales productivity and conversion rates, with some seeing up to 20% improvement in conversion rates. Your competitors are already implementing these systems while you're still manually qualifying leads. I've put together a comprehensive lead scoring playbook that includes my exact scoring formulas, implementation checklists, and ROI calculators. It's normally $497, but for the next 48 hours, it's available as part of my B2B Sales Masterclass course on Udemy for just $97. The link is in the description below. And if you want my team to implement this system for you, I'm also opening up 5 consulting spots this month. The last client we worked with increased their qualified pipeline by 180% in 90 days. But here's the thing. Every day you wait is costing you qualified opportunities. Click that link right now, get the playbook, and start implementing today. Your Q4 numbers will thank you. And if this helped you, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. I release new sales acceleration strategies every Tuesday that can transform your startup's growth trajectory. See you in the next video. Keep on scaling.